Hello friends, my name is Sai and welcome to Sai's Way. So today I'm gonna do coffee painting. Do you want to do it with me? So let's get started. Friends, I drew this picture of a hut. You can draw any picture and I'm going to paint this with coffee. So the things you'll need are water, 3 containers or a color palette, a flat brush and a round brush, a spoon and some coffee powder. So friends, I have added half teaspoon of coffee powder into each. So for the light shade, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of water. And for the medium shade, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of water. And for the dark shade, we are just going to add a half teaspoon of water. Now you have to mix. So friends, we have made these 3 shades and now we are going to test it on a paper. This is the light shade. This is the medium shade and this is the dark shade. Guys, I added more water to the light shade because I was not happy with the shade. Okay, this seems perfect. So guys, you can also add more water or more coffee powder to adjust the shade. So guys, now we are going to use the light shade to cover up the whole page of the painting. And also make sure you don't overdo it, otherwise the shade will become more darker. So we're just going to do 1 stroke at a time. Like that. One stroke at a time. This is the painting. Let it dry for some time. And now we're going to use the medium shade to color in the house, the tree trunks, the mountains, the road. We're also using a round brush for this. So guys, we're done with the medium shade. This is how it looks. And now we're going to use the dark shade for the borders. also going to use the dark shade using the flat brush to do the leaves of the trees like that, like this. Like that. We'll do for these trees over there too. And we are done. Guys, I'm also using the round brush for the grass over there. Guys, I'm also going to use this dark shade for some dots on the roof, and we'll also make some smoke. Now guys, we'll use the dark shade using the flat brush to make some smoke from the chimney. Like that. To give more effect, I'm using the medium shade with the flat brush. I'm just going to shade on the sides. So guys, this is how it looks now. Isn't it beautiful? So friends, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.